Hello fellow engineers and welcome to Alan 13 Reformation or Reformation. Reformation? Don't know, I'm a numbers guy. Anyway, the story behind this is the surface of Venus in the future. We started terraforming the planet, however things cocked up, the sun fried all the electricals, so there's a few robots and diggers and stuff about. We've got to reprogram everything. So we'll start with level 1, I'll show you how it works. So we'll head into here and basically we've got to test and program the Alan units. Alan! Yeah, I'm probably going to be making that joke pretty often, just so you're aware. Right, so the first level, reach the green circle by using your thrusters. So basically, this is this mission. We start in this building here. Our little robot guy, Alan, is going to come out. And we've got to get him to this green circle. So if we click on this yellow panel here, this is the microchip board inside Alan. And essentially, you have different sort of parts that do different things. So if we just grab this and we attach it to there, this is where we start. And this is a move forward piece. So if we press play, you'll see our thing will move out, it'll move forwards, and then that's the end. He's like, now what do I do? And thankfully, because it's on grids, you can see we just need to move forward 2 more spaces. So we've got to add 2 more of those parts, basically. So if we click this button up here, we can add another one and then another one. So it looks like this long line. So basically, this is like a programming game. It's going to teach you how to program. So if we press play now, we come out, we move forwards once, we move forwards twice. Third time, we're in the circle, jobs are good. Now, because we did it in not very many moves, we get the 3 stars, or the 3 cogs in this case. And for completing the level, we get a reward, which is a new piece, the rotator component. So if we go back to the level screen, we can see we've done level 0. We're going to do level 1 over here now. So we'll just head over that way, head into here, and this is the new level. You can see that there's obstacles about, there's walls, there's pit of dooms, there's cogs you don't want to fall into. Yeah, so let's move that over there. Let's get the chipboard out. Now, this one we start off with a broken component. It's red, so it's got to be deleted. So we click on it, we press delete. Good job, the game says. And then up here you can see we've got a new button. We got our spin aroundy one. So if we grab that and plonk it there, I imagine we're going to want to come out, turn, and then 1, 2, 3, move forward 4 times or 3 times. I think 4 times. So let's press play on that. So we come out, we turn left. Oh no, we turned right. We turned right. Oh, we went into a hill and fell over. So you might be wondering, how do you fix that? We can only turn right. We can't turn left. Well, if we move these out the way a little bit, obviously we can use a few more rotators. So if we turn 3 times, and we should spin around in a nice circle and we'll be facing that direction. So we'll link up all these straighter headers and then press play. So now we come out, we go right, and then right. Nice. And then we go straight ahead 4 times, which means we go into there. Jobs are good. And I should work for NASA. So let's see what the next level has in store for us. Right, so on this level, you can see there's conveyor belts. So if we come out of there, I think we're gonna have to turn right and then go forward once, right across there. And I think that conveyor belt will it should fling us across over to that one. Same over there. So let's try and program that in. So we come out and then we go right. And then we go forward once. And then we go right. And then we go forward once. And then we go right again because we're on this corner. And then we go forward. We should end up there. So then forward once more. Because I think I only have to end up on that square. And then I end up in the building. So let's press play. So we come out. We go right, forward, right, forward, over the conveyor, right again, forward, over the conveyor, another forward, and we're done. Nice. So we got the 3 cogs once again. Oh, and look at these. What are these? I'm quite scared. That looks complicated. A repeater component unlocked, as well as H-wire components. What do H-wires do? Anyway, let's go to level 3, where I'm sure we'll find out. So for this one, I think we start up there, don't we? So we're going to come out, and we got to move forwards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times until we go left and then forwards. So let's have a look at our circuit board. So if we do like move forward once and then repeat. So this is the specification. It should tell us how things work. So that's the thruster. We know all about that one. We know about the rotator. This is the repeater. Okay, so do I put a forwards down there? How do I know how many times I've got to repeat? Bottom left, repetition. So can I just wang that up to 8? Okay, so I think if I put that on it, I can probably get rid of that piece and then move all of this up 1. So I imagine we'll come out and then we'll move forward 8 times. So let's just try this first. Let's keep it fairly simple. So So do we move forward 8 times? Yes, looks like it. And the question is, did I count right? Is 8 times enough? Yes, I think it is. So if we just grab the turner one. Oh no, there's no room. There's no room to put the turner in. Is that what these two are for? To move stuff out the way? So if I do that, is that just like a vertical? Yeah, I think that's just giving us some space, which means we can put the turner in there, and that turns us right. So we need 3 of those and then a straighter header, and then that should get us to the end. And if you turn that to the right 90 degrees, editor, that sort of looks like the strongest shaped circuit board to me. Anyway, let's press play. We've come out. We're driving along there. You can see that's going to repeat 8 times till we get to this corner, and then we should turn right. Yep, into there. Nice. Oh man, I'm learning programming. So 3 cogs on that. Let's continue to the next level. So you can see we've done level 0, 1, 2, 3. Up there is level 8. So I should probably try and find level 4 next. Oh, it's over there. So we'll head along there, up this road, and then into that level. So where do we start on this one? I think we come out of there, and we've got to get up to there. Okay, let's see what parts we have this time. We've got 5 forwards, 5 turners, 5 repeaters. Oh, we got 5 of everything. That should be fairly straightforward, right? I am sort of intrigued though. What happens if we crash into a box? So we'll put the repeater in, and then we'll do some forwards. So we should come out, spin around all the way, and then crash into the box. Boosh. Oh, we just we just fall over. All right, so this time if we actually try and get in the right direction, so we do that. We go forward, right, forward, forward, right? So these 2 forwards should get us to there. I want to know what happens if we go into the pit. So let's do another right, and then we'll just repeat a load of forwards until we go in. I can just do that like however many. We will definitely go into that hole, I think. So up to there, straight past the steps, then... Oh, we tripped over the steps. Let me watch that again. What happened here? Oh no, look, there's a lump there. Do we have to stay on the road? Maybe that's why people built roads. That would make sense. That was literally your day job for like 10 years, Matt. All right, so anyway, we're starting again. So we're starting there. We want to come out. We want to go right. So that's sorted. Then we want to go forward 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Let's grab a repeater. Let's put a straight down there, and then we tell the repeater to repeat 4 times. So that will get us to that point. However, I want to see what happens if we go into that. So I'm going to reduce this by 1. So the repeat's only 3 times, which means we'll end up on that square. And we'll make a bit of space so we can go right and then forwards. So let's play that. So we come out, we go right, we go straight, straight, straight. Then we go right, then we go into there. That seems like a really deep hole. I want to sort of look in, see if Alan's okay. Right, so let's just tweak this. So if we add an extra repeat, rather than there, we'll end up there. And then what if we go left into that square? Do we get grinded by the grinder? So we're just going to use these to spin around. So rather than facing right, we're facing left, and then we'll do some forwards. So same thing as last time, but we'll end up on this square. Then we go right 3 times. So we're facing this direction, then forwards, and then... Oh, nothing happened. All right, this time I've tweaked it a bit. So when we end up on this square, we should go right into the cog. Oh, we can just go past the cog. Oh man, I wanted to give Alan an excruciating death. Anyway, if we delete back to this point, I think we end up there, and then this turn at the right makes us face the right way. So we've got to move forwards 1, 2, 3, 4 again. So I'm guessing I want another repeater and then another straight there, and we tell that repeater to go 4 times. So we give ourselves some space with that one. We do another right hand turn, then another repeater, and then we got to move forwards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So we put the straight there, we put the repetition on 6, and then we press play, and I hope this should work. Let's get rid of that and just see, is it going to work? So turn right, go forward 4 times, and then turn right. Nice. Okay, completely perfect. I am a genius at this game, although it's only the first few levels. Shush. No, I only got 2 stars. I only got 2 cogs. All right, that means there is a better way of doing this, and I'm not the genius I thought I was. I knew I was getting cocky. Right, let's continue. Let's go back into that level, and let's retry. I imagine we need to repeat the like entire thing. So let's think about this. We come out, we want to turn right, and then go forward 4 times. So what about we put the repeater in first, and then we say turn right, and then go forward 4 times. As you can see here, we've got the turn right, we got the forward 4 times in a row, and then if we make that repeat 3 times, then we've just got to make sure wherever we end up, so 1, 2, 3, 4, we've just got to go forward 2 more times. Now you can see we've only got 1 more move forward, so we're going to have to use another repeater piece. Is that going to fit there? No, it doesn't fit. So what we'll do do, we'll use one of those wires to get us out the way. Oh no, it doesn't fit. Still doesn't fit. Okay, what if we delete that vertical wire and we use the horizontal wire to move us that way? Yes, now we fit because there's space. We're not overlapping that computer chippy thing. So that one we can put the straight there, and we just tell that to repeat twice. So if you followed that, hopefully when we press play, this should work. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then turn right because the thing is repeating again. You can actually watch this go green as it does all the moves. So repeat. Nice. I think we've actually done it. So that's the 3 repeats and forward twice. Come on, 3 cogs. Oh, I still only got 2 cogs. What? Right, I'm not having that. Back into the level. Right then, how about we start with a repeater as we did last time, but this time we put a repeater within a repeater for the 4 straights. It's like repeatception. So we turn right and then we repeat a straight forward 4 times. So that's the same thing that I had last time, but I've reduced the number of pieces down to 2 rather than 4. Then down here we just do the horizontal piece, another repeater, and then a straight, and we say repeat twice. This one we got to repeat 3 times. Let's see if this works. Hopefully it does. So there's the 4 straights, and then we do the repeat, then the 4 straights again. Yes, I think I've got it. So we got to the end, and then our final 2 repeated straights, and we're into there. Sorted. Please, 3 cogs. Yes. Oh, that was quite good actually. I feel like I actually achieved there. Next up we got to find, where's level 5? These levels are blimming all over the place. All right. So we've got to head down here. Can I just say 5? Go over to there. Oh, he finds his own way. Right, so in this level, we've unlocked the harvester. And I think we've got to collect these orange crystal-y things. So let's have a look at the old circuit board. So we're going to start... I think we start there. So the question is, do I just need 1 orange crystal or do I need to collect all 3? I have a feeling it might just be 1. So we'll do this the long way first. So we're going to come out there. We're going to turn right. So that is the turn piece. Then we're going to go forward twice. So 1, 2. And then we're going to turn left, which means doing 3 of those. So then we're on this square facing this direction. So we've got to go forward twice. Oh no, we've run out of pieces, which means we are actually going to have to do the repeaters and stuff first time. Okay, let's delete all this. So we'll come out, we'll turn right. I think that's fine for now. Then we'll put a repeater in to go forward twice. So we go to there, repeat that up to 2, put horizontal in so we've got some space to put the next rotator. And of course, by rotator, I mean repeater because we need the repeater in order to rotate 3 times. We put that in, we tell that to repeat 3 times, and that will keep us going the right direction. Then we can go forward twice, and then we're on that blob. Let's just check that because I'm not sure I've done this right. So turn right, go forward twice, turn right 3 times. Why aren't we spinning 3 times? Oh, look, there's a battery sign. So I've just realized each movement you do uses up battery. So when we start, we've got 10%. Turning uses 1. Moving forward uses like 4 or 5%. So we've run out of energy. Perhaps that's why we need the crystal. So we can't actually get to that one with the power we have. We can maybe get to that one though. So if we start again, we're going to come out. We want to go left, which means a repeater and then a spinner, and we repeat that 3 times. So then we're facing that direction. We can go forward twice. So this should get us to that point. I assume then we can use the harvester, and that might give us power, meaning perhaps we can turn right and then go that way. So let's do a repeater actually, because I think we want turn right, so we're facing this direction, and then go forwards. No, we want to swap that. We want to turn right first and then repeat the forwards 4 times maybe. I don't know, I'm a little bit confused. Let's press start and see what happens. So we come out, we turn right 3 times, so we're over that direction. Oh, we can't even make that. Right, so it seems I got a bit ahead of myself. Let's delete all of that stuff up to the harvester. So how can we do this in fewer pieces? Or is it fewer pieces that uses battery, or is it fewer movement? Let's have a little test actually. Oh no, look, there's a direction on the spinners. Like I don't have to do the repeating. What an idiot. Okay, so that changes everything. We can literally come out and we can say turn left rather than right. That makes a lot more sense because then we can repeat going forward twice and then shove a harvester there. So let's see if we can make that. So left, forward, forward. We actually tripped over the crystal. Okay, I wonder then if we get rid of that. So basically what I've done, I've just not made it repeat. So we're going to end up on that one and then we're going to harvest because that will be straight ahead of us. So maybe we need to be one away to harvest it. So we'll come out, turn left, forward, and then harvest. Yes. Okay, that's how you harvest them. And then the power's up to 49%. If I were to add another harvest, will that double the power up to 100%? No, he doesn't take any more. Interesting. Alan knows when he's full. Okay.
Now fuck off, I'm full. Oh, sir.
So anyway, we're on to this point. So I'm guessing I just want to spin around and go back. So if we put a couple of spinners in, then we're facing the opposite direction, then we'll move forwards once, make sure we turn left, and then we just repeat a straight ahead 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So we just wang that up to 5 down there, and then we press play. So we should come out, we should eat the crystal. Yummy crystal. And we should turn around, go forward, look left, and then go forward all the way to the end. Nice. And then the question is, do we get 3 cogs? Yes, we do. Continue. So level 6 is down there. We'll click on level 6 and just watch our little dude make it. All right, so this one we've been told to harvest all the crystals. So we start there. I assume, do they want us to like follow the green? It might be easier to come around this way, but at least going that way, because it's similar movements, I could probably just repeater it. So I've got 9 forwards, I've got 9 turners, 9 repeaters. Oh, I've got 9 everything. Okay, so let's start with a repeater. We'll say go forwards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So we click on the repeater, we wang that up to 5, and then we shove a harvester thing down there. So that should harvest the crystal. And then from there, I assume, do we want to repeat this? So we want to repeat turning left, going forward twice, going left again, and then a repeat of going forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So this repeater goes up to 5, and then we'll move this down. This is going to be a long ass circuit. Oh, actually looking at this, I might want to repeat it from there. So we say forward, harvest, go to there, because then we got exactly the same shape. Yeah, actually, we're going to do that. So we want to repeat everything we do once. And what we want to do, we want to repeat going forwards. So we do that, and that's 5 times in there. And then we want to harvest. So that goes there. And then we want to go left. So we say left, then forwards twice, and then another left. And then we'll use a repeater to go forwards 5 times. So if you've been following, we should end up there. So then we want to go right, but that doesn't fit in. So we'll use a horizontal like that. That goes right, and then forward twice. So then we've ended up where we want to, but I think we're in the like wrong rotation, because we're facing this pit basically. We've got to turn right once more, but we don't want to do that the next time. Oh, actually we do, because we should already be into the exit. Okay, so yeah, we will just add a right-hand turn at the bottom, which means hopefully this absolute beast of a circuit should work. There's probably a better way of doing it, but we'll see. Can I get the cogs? Well, before we even think about the cogs, can we get to the end? So get in there, harvest that up, mate. That is yummy stuff, isn't it, Alan? Alan? Right, so we're heading along there. We should turn right, go ahead, and then this is the very end of our circuit, and then it all repeat. Oh, I didn't repeat. I thought this with a repetition of 1 would make it repeat once, but it just means do it once. Okay, so we wang that up to 2 and we press play. So we've gone through the entire thing, and now we're repeating from the start. So we should go to there and then harvest. Yes, Alan. Yes, Alan. And then we just complete the level. We're going down here, turning right. We go forward twice, and that's the end of the level. Nice. And we've unlocked a new reward. Oh, we got the 3 cogs as well. Decent. So the new reward is an interrupter component. So let's head to level 7 to see how that works. So what do we have here? We're going to start there. We've just... Oh, look. We've just got a straight line, a left turn, and a straight line. That sounds easy. But what pieces do we have? Oh, God, what is that? Oh, no, we can't... Oh, we can't move these pieces. Let's have a look in the specification to see what our new piece does. So the interrupt component can link other components which are not connected. Okay, I'm not entirely sure how this works. So if we shove that there, and then we do another one like over here somewhere. Are they just linked now? So let's just test it with a forward. So if we move forward to there, we know it worked. Oh, it didn't work. Oh, of course. When you click on these, you can tell it which component to jump to. Okay, so if I get rid of that one, because we don't need 2 interrupters, we can just say go down to there and then jump to thruster 11, which is this one. Yep, thruster 11. So now if we play, we come out, we should move forward. Yes, okay, I got it. So in order to get to the end, let's count how many of these we need. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then a turn, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorted. So we'll use a repeater, say repeat 6 times, and then turn right by using a extender piece. And then we just want to repeat this. I wonder, can I just put an interrupter in and make it like loop back? Is that a thing? So this interrupter, can I say jump to repeater 12, which is that one? So does that repeat the whole process? That would be useful. We got to make sure this first interrupter is set up to go to this repeater, but I think that's fine, right? Let's press play. So we come out, we're going along there 6 times, then we turn. Oh, we turned right. We turned the wrong way, but it did repeat everything. Oh no, it's in an infinite loop. It doesn't have an end. It only finishes when we run out of battery. Okay, so let's just turn the right turn to a left turn, and then I think that should just work, right? So we come out, we go along 6 times, and then we do our left turn, which is down there, and then the interrupter sends us back to the beginning. Oh, that interrupter is really good. And we've completed the level. Mission complete. How many cogs? We get 3 cogs. And we've unlocked the D sensor. Well, I'm good at sensing Ds. I see them everywhere. So I think we're going to leave that there for today because I don't need to learn that skill. But yeah, that was fun. That was Alan 13, a nice little programming teachery game. If you enjoyed the video, boost your like button and comment Alan below so that I know that you got to the end. Peace, love, and Alan.
Steve!
Bye, guys.